So what we started doing is Scout would yell out 1, and we were just working on the black, so that meant 1 black. And then we graduated to white and black, so he'd yell out 1 white, 1 black, 2 white, etc. So you're kind of getting, you know, a little bit heightened up, a little bit of stress going, and I love it. It's a lot of fun. All right, guys, I know I probably have a lot going on here. Glock 23 is what I'm switching over to. Honestly, I didn't want to bring my Glocks out today. I wanted to bring something else of mine, but I wanted to take advantage of any little time that I can to shoot really what I'm going to be carrying. So that's why I decided to bring these out. I need to maximize that as much as I can. So we're going to go round 2 here, going from the 27 to 23.
Right, 3. Right, 4. Clear. Right, 5. Black 1. Clear.
Yeah, I'm goofing up on my rock, trying to clear my shirt and then go after my gun and stick clear with the left hand.
Right. Block 2. Right, 4. Clear.
Like this.
White 6. White 1. Clear. Dude, I'm so looking forward to shooting the Kel-Tec after this. Did I tell you that?
Yes, you did.
Oh my gosh, man. It was hitting at 100 yards earlier. Did I tell you that?
You did that too.
I mean, like, better than I ever thought. Black 3!
That was interesting. Did you see that draw?
It got hung up, didn't it?
It did get hung up.
But you got it out anyway.
I did.
Orange. Black 1! White 5! White 5! White 5! Clear.
Gosh, I love this drill.
I wish we could do it all day long, dude.
Seriously, this is a fun drill. I like this a lot.
Yeah.
I'm clearly doing better with the 23.
Right.
Now, whether I'm warmed up or not, I don't know. Let me switch here real quick.
Okay.
So I've obviously done a lot better with the 23. Now, whether I'm warmed up, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the 27 and see how I perform.
Black 2! White 1! Clear. Black 1! White 5!
Damn. That bothers me.
Black 3. 2 white.
I thought you were going to switch that one on me because I was pointing it at the white. That was awesome.
Clear. White 1. Black 1.
I'm out. Well, I think that answers it. If I need more practice with the 23 or 27, it's clearly the 27. Love this drill.